Have you prepared your virtual business card on Google yet? Hi, I am Shraddha Somani and I would like to introduce Google's new feature, that is People's Card or Virtual Business Card, that is rolled out on 11th August 2020. People Card allows individuals to highlight them in search results like never before. It provides all the information like social media profile, websites, professional and educational information. So let us understand how you can create your virtual business card. To create your virtual business card, go to google.com and ensure that you are logged in with your Google account. Also make a note that this option is only available on mobile device. It is not available on desktop yet. Then go to the search box and type "Add me to search." Google will provide you an option to create your virtual business card. Click on Get Started. After you click on Get Started, provide all the information over here to create your card. Information that you can fill in is your profile picture, name, location, about yourself, occupation, work, education, hometown, website, social profile, email ID, as well as phone number. Once you have provided all the information, you can just have a preview of how your business card will look like. If everything looks fine, just click on Save and your virtual card is ready. You can just view your search card or a virtual business card. The main advantage that you will be getting is gaining a presence in a search result. As an individual, it can be challenging, especially for those who are not famous or share the same name with many other people. For searchers, it can be challenging to find information about specific people if they do not have a strong online presence. Hence, Google aims to address all these challenges with People Cards or Virtual Card. People Cards can be designed for business professionals, performers, influencers, entrepreneurs, job hunters, freelancers, or anyone who is looking to grow their presence online. So, if you have not yet created your card, what are you waiting for? Build your business virtual card today and make yourself visible. However, you have to note that Google claims that it might take some time to show up on Google search result page. So, have a patience, and you never know that when you're available on Google search business card. Good day.